Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review on the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. I bought this like a week and a half ago, but I never had a chance to try it out, and this is just the first time I've opened it. So I wanted to give it a review because I really love their concealers. Like on an everyday basis, I use their concealer to just conceal some of my imperfections, and then I'm done. Like I don't even use a foundation. So I wanted to give this foundation a try because I haven't been using foundations for a while. So I thought, oh, let me try this. And see how it is. So when it comes to the concealers, the concealer that I use all over, like when I want to oh my god, how can I speak? The concealer that I use when I want to just cover up some imperfections is the shade C15, and then to highlight I use the shade C13, and if I want to contour, I haven't cream contoured in a long time, but if I do want to contour, I use C18. So when I bought the foundation, I did purchase it in F15. And then I went and bought one of their super-sized concealers in the shade C13 as well, so I could try those out. So my initial thoughts on the foundation is that I really like the bottle. It feels nice and heavy. When the foundation has a little bit of weight to it, it makes it feel more like luxurious. So it kind of feels like it's real glass, and it just looks so much nicer than it being like plastic or lightweight. I don't know, it's the something about it makes it feel like it's more expensive. And for only £9, I feel like the packaging looks really amazing. Like look at it, it's so beautiful. It has like a frosted bottle, and then it's obviously rose gold, and I really like rose gold, so you know, it's a win-win. So yeah, this has, I think it has 24 shades, and it's a matte finish, so for me that's pretty great because I have oily skin. So I'm gonna first of all prime my face with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Face Base Primer. Super affordable, and it does the job for me, so why not? When you open the bottle, the applicator is like exactly the same as the concealer. For some reason I really like that. I just don't know, it looks really nice and cool. I've never seen anything like this before. It doesn't smell bad or anything like that, so that's good. So I'm just gonna apply it to my face, and then I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully this is my shade. I just went on the fact that the concealer is my shade, so I'm just hoping it's the same. So this is the way the foundation looks. I do like the way it looks. It does match my skin well, so I'm okay with that. I'm happy with that. I was a bit nervous because I'm normally my foundation is normally a cool tone, and I felt like this was a little bit warm, but for me I'm really happy with it, and it does look really nice. I feel like it blends with my skin pretty well. You guys tell me what you think, if you think it blends in or not, but I think it does the job. And it does to be honest, I don't have that many imperfections, so I can't really say to you if it's like amazing full coverage, but for me it covers everything and it makes my skin look super even. And it is really, it's matte, it's nice and matte, but it's not like matte as in like it feels drying. But I'm just gonna apply the rest of my makeup on, and I'm gonna come back to you with my final thoughts on this foundation and all that jazz. Okay, so guys, this is my final look. I did use all Makeup Revolution products besides some of my lashes and yeah. And what else I used? I used a contour palette that wasn't Makeup Revolution, but everything else was Makeup Revolution because I thought it would be nice to try the foundation with all their products to see how it looks. So I might do like a full face of Makeup Revolution product video because I thought it was quite nice the way everything turned out. If you're interested in that, do let me know. So my final thoughts, my initial thoughts on this foundation is that I really like it. The packaging for me, first of all, made it a win. I was like, no. When I saw this packaging, I was like, nah. I love it already. It does the exact same thing as the concealer did for me when I used it all over my face. I like the finish of it. It's matte, but it's not super matte. So I definitely feel like if you do have dry skin, this could work for you as well. But obviously give it a try first. It is only £9, so it's not like you're breaking the bank for this foundation. And yeah, I really do like the coverage, and they do have 24 shades. So hopefully you guys can find your shade as well. That's my initial thoughts on this foundation so far. It's a thumbs up for me. Let me know what you think anyway, because obviously I'm seeing something completely different. You guys might think it's a completely different shade, but whatever. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.